I don't know about you, but I've got a lot of posters and I like to hang them and I really like to change them out. But putting them into a frame makes it kind of laborious and you don't really want to swap them out that often. But this magnetic poster holder changes the whole game. So as you can see, this is made out of a teak wood, super straight and lightweight and strong, very rigid, and it's got these magnets put in every so often along the one side, and on the other side you've got matching magnets that are going to line up and squish together. So that creates the rigidity and the weight at the bottom of the poster. And now you do the same at the top of the poster here, only this side has the hanger. So now you can, like gravity, pull your poster down. This bottom part is going to pull it and keep it straight, and this top part is going to hold it up against the wall. I think this is one of the neatest and most compact poster hangers that we've got. When we're traveling and we need to hang up a bunch of posters and we're not sure if we're going to be able to or not, we don't want to bring them in frames, we can roll them up, put this down the center, and now we can instantly have ability to hang those posters if we need them, and they didn't take up a lot of space if we're not able to. So versatile. Hope this helps.